These are no ordinary walls. Drenched in tradition and history. They're a vibrant and visual representation of the thousands of years of the artistic legacies of Bharat. Namaskar and welcome to Delhi, where walls like the ones behind me and all around me and public places like this are pulsating with creativity, with a fresh artistic spirit under Project Pari. The Public Art of India, or Project Pari, is an initiative of the Ministry of Culture, Lalit Kala Academy and the National Gallery of Modern Art. It seeks to infuse creativity into public spaces by amalgamating elements from our Lok Kala and Sanskriti with modern themes and techniques. Especially now, as the chair and host of UNESCO's 46th World Heritage Committee, Bharat is prioritizing the involvement of local communities in its heritage conservation efforts. The birth of Project Pari as a nationwide movement is a testament to this commitment. A commitment in safeguarding the identities and narratives of artists that truly reflects the belief, history, and way of life of these diverse communities and indigenous tribes.
प्रोजेक्ट परी पब्लिक आर्ट को लोकप्रिय बनाने के लिए उभरते कलाकारों को एक मंच पर लाने का बड़ा माध्यम बन रहा है.
Our art forms are a reflection of the rich cultural heritage of our country. These art forms passed down through generations are practiced even today. Yet, they remain obscure in mainstream contemporary life. Under Project Pari, concerted efforts have been made to showcase them on a bigger canvas in a bustling metropolis like Delhi. To make them accessible for all to appreciate, admire, and take pride in the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. Here stands a monumental 20-foot structure inspired by the ancient Sanchi Toran, which was built between 50 BC and 150 AD. This magnificent artwork has been meticulously crafted from scrap iron and structural rods, embodying a dynamic balance between engineering precision and artistic ingenuity. This installation is a homage to the 10,000-year history of human civilization. This 20-foot sculpture named Monolithic Guardians, placed in the heart of Delhi's Windsor Place and scores high in visual hierarchy. But the biggest and one of my favorites is this one. This 26-foot sculpture, Agni Tattva at Bharat Mandapam, goes beyond just being a visual spectacle. It is a remarkable portrayal of the ancient concept of Agni, or fire, as one of the elements in Hinduism that makes up the universe and the one that burns within. Immersive and inescapable, awe-inspiring and thought-provoking. The artworks by 200+ visual artists from all over Bharat is connecting people and inspiring reflection. Inspired by themes of nature, everyday life, Nari Shakti, and myths and folklore. The cultural richness of these artworks has transformed Delhi into an open-air museum gallery.
I take this opportunity to congratulate Ministry of Culture for having launched Project Pari, being executed by Lalit Kala Academy and National Gallery of Modern Art that seeks to bring forth public art that draws inspiration from millennia of artistic heritage while incorporating modern themes and techniques. Over 200 artists from across India came together to give wings to their artistic imagination via wall paintings, murals, and sculptures, many of which either draw inspiration from tangible and intangible heritage of our nation.
That's the Ministry of Culture's Project Pari for you. A wonderful initiative that's coming soon to your city.